Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Disciples, Srila Prabhupada, eternal disciples, eternal servitors. And what if we have to take birth in the material world in the next life? How will we be able to render direct service unto you?
Yes. Even if you remain in the material, if you are not completed your spiritual life, still you will get good birth. Suchinang simotangehi yoga brashta sanjaya. One who is failure in completing Krishna consciousness, then he is given next chance in a very aristocratic family or very nice, pure Brahmin's family, so that he can again cultivate Krishna consciousness. Next chance.
Will that mean taking initiation from another guru, or remain your eternal service?
His question was, when we take initiation from you, we understand that we become your eternal servitors.
Yeah.
So if we have to come again to another birth...
But if you remain eternally in the instruction, and if you fall from the instruction, how you can remain eternal? You have to stay on the platform, then eternally you are safe. If you fall down from the platform, then it is your fault. Just like we are all in the Vaikuntha planet. Now, we wanted to enjoy this material world, we have fallen down. Just like Joy Vijay. Now we are trying to go back again. Therefore we say, go back to home, back to God. So, everything is there is process. If you follow the process, then you go back. If you fall down, that is our fault. Therefore the life is meant for tapasya. That Rishabdeva's instruction, that our life should not be wasted like dogs and hogs and pigs. It should be utilized for tapasya, for understanding our position. Tapah putra kajena suddheta satya. This is the aim of life. We have to purify our existence. At the present moment, our existence is impurified. Therefore we are subjected to birth, death, old age and disease. And as soon as we purify ourselves, then we are not subjected to these four material laws. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,